Hello friends. In this video I will tell you about the SHANTUI SD22 Bulldozer. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you are ready, let's start. The SD22 is a large horsepower, advanced technology bulldozer with a Cummins 855C engine delivering high torque yet low fuel consumption. An exhaust turbocharger ensures uninterrupted performance at altitudes up to 3,200 meters. Hydraulic drive and control technology deliver reliable performance and easy control. Cummins NT855C 280S10 engine features strong power and high efficiency and energy saving. High reliability power shift transmission, the stable hydraulic torque converter, and two-stage spur gear final drive feature high power transmission efficiency. The engine can run normally and reliably under all load conditions and all hot environments required by the user, without overheating. It can realize the automatic diagnosis and whole process monitoring of the malfunctions. The integrally injection molded instrument panel integrates the AC, electric devices, and instruments, featuring beautiful appearance and high grade. Full box type mainframe with application of high performance materials and high strength castings features high carrying capacity against impact load and bending moment, and the high quality welds guarantee the life cycle of the mainframe. The semi-rigid suspension traveling system increases the ground area of tracks and improves the traction force of vehicle. Ergonomically designed driver seat and armrests can be adjusted easily in vertical and longitudinal directions. The gearshift, steering, and accelerator controls are arranged on the left side with the adoption of flexible shaft structure. The working device controls are arranged on the right side with adoption of servo control system to achieve lighter and more flexible operations and relieve the operating fatigue. Standard straight tilting blade features powerful cutting force to handle diversified severe working environments, and a large single shank ripper of adjustable penetrating angle can be used for the ripping of clay and frozen earth, as well as the stripping of hard working faces, such as gravel and hardened salt mine. SHANTUI Bulldozer Price SD22 Series Bulldozer adopts SHANTUI's patented technologies, including central lubrication, central pressure measurement, and automatic track tensioning technologies, and won the Seoul National Golden Quality Award in China's bulldozer industry. With multiple working devices and cabs, this product can meet the operation demands for diversified working conditions and is an ideal high-efficiency machine for earth-moving operations and bulk material handling. Power system. The installed WP12/QSNT-C235 electronically controlled engine conforms to the China 3 non-road machinery emission regulation, featuring strong power, high efficiency and energy saving, and low maintenance cost. The rated power reaches 175 kilowatts, featuring high torque reserve coefficient. The radially sealed intake system is applied to effectively prolong the engine life. Drive system. The curves of drive system and engine are perfectly matched to achieve more extensive high-efficiency zone and higher transmission efficiency. SHANTUI's self-made drive system features stable performance and reliable quality and has been long proved by the market. Driving, riding environment. The hexahedral cab provides super large interior space and broad vision, and the ROPS/FOPS can be installed depending on specific needs to ensure high safety and reliability. The electronic control hand and foot accelerators guarantee more accurate and comfortable operations. The intelligent display and control terminal and the AC and heating system are installed to provide more abundant personalized driving/riding experience and enable you to understand system status at any time, featuring high intelligence and convenience. Working adaptability. SHANTUI's stable and reliable chassis system is applicable to diversified severe working conditions. The product features long ground length, high ground clearance, stable driving, and good trafficability. The straight tilting blade, semi-U blade, U-blade, angle blade, coal blade, rock blade, environmental sanitation blade, ripper, and traction frame can be installed depending on specific working condition to achieve higher working adaptability. The optional LED working lamps improve the illumination capability during nighttime operations to achieve higher safety and reliability. Easy maintenances. The structural parts inherit the excellent quality of SHANTUI's mature products. The electric harnesses adopt corrugated pipes for protection and deconcentrators for branching, featuring high protection grade. The openable large space side hoods make the repairs and maintenance easier. All lubricating and maintenance points of machine are directed to the outer side of machine body to achieve convenient and rapid maintenances. Main parameter. Engine model, Cummins NT855C280S10. Net power, 162 kilowatts/220 horsepower/1800 revolutions per minute. Operating weight, 23.4 t. Thank you for watching the video. See you in another video.